Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in the lobby, open settings immediately and tap the controller tab. You need touch controls active or controller connected. Enable custom HUD if you want separate buttons. Next, choose edit controls to enter layout mode and drag core actions, movement, jump, build onto comfortable areas. Use the opacity and size sliders so buttons don't block sight. Once you place primary inputs, save to a new profile name and test in Playgrounds to confirm reach and responsiveness. Adjust sensitivity briefly while testing to fine-tune aiming and building speed. Now refine bindings. Assign separate buttons for build pieces and edit to reduce mispresses. Use double tap where available for edits and set hold durations to prevent accidental actions. For aim, open sensitivity and match gyro and aim pad to feel. Start low, increase in 10% steps while testing. Map crouch and sprint to reachable corners and create quick binds for traps and consumables. Once done, practice specific routines, 90-degree turn. Ramp rush so muscle memory forms before competitive matches. Record a short clip to review button placement and timing, then tweak as needed. Finish by assigning and testing a final config. Enter a warm-up map and run full sessions focusing on building, editing, and aiming. Make one change at a time. Revert if performance drops. Save the configuration with version numbers like V1, V2 so you can roll back quickly. If controls feel unresponsive, clear cache, restart the app, and reconnect any controller. Also check for system-level touch sensitivity or overlay apps blocking input. If issues persist, reinstall the game as a last resort after backing up settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.